Today's topic is circle from chapter 7 geometry. Here you can see a figure, that a round figure inside just a point O. This figure is of a circle. So, what is a circle? See from the figure that there is a fixed point O inside of the circle, and if we take any point on the line, that is the boundary line that we get from the figure, if we take this point and join them, this one point, or take any point and join with O, you will get always this distance are equal, this distance or this distance or this distance are equal in measurement, that is in centimeter they will be same. Then this figure is called a circle. So, what is a circle? From the figure it is clear that it is a closed figure, and moreover every point is equidistant from the fixed point inside of the curve. So, this is a circle. So, circle definitions we get that a circle is a closed curve. Circle is a closed curve whose every point is equidistant from a fixed point inside the curve, and it is called center, and its symbol is like this. So, this is a circle. Now, parts of a circle. There are so many different parts of a circle. What are the parts? First is circumference of a circle. What is circumference? See, here is a figure in beside. In the figure, the curved line that we get from the figure, that is this outer boundary line. This boundary line is called its circumference. This line is called its circumference. Next is there is a fixed point inside the circle from where the distance of every point on the circle, this point are same. This fixed point is called center. Here in the figure O is the point, that is the center of the circle. Next is radius. What is radius? The distance from the center to any point on the circle is a radius. Here OB is a radius, also OA is a radius. So, distance from any point and the center, this distance or this distance or this distance, these are all radius. Next is diameter. What is the diameter? Diameter is a line segment that joining any two points on the circle, but the line segment should be passed through the center. So, any two points on the circle joining, and if the line segment passes through the center, this line segment is called its diameter. From the figure it is clear that OB is a radius and O is a radius, and both they are same in length. Okay. So, we get from the figure that diameter equal to 2 into radius, 1 radius, here is another radius. So, 2 radius. If we add 2 radius, we get a diameter. So, diameter equal to 2 into radius, or D equal to 2R. Also from this we get the radius equal to half of the diameter. So, whenever radius is given, we can find the diameter by multiplying 2, and if diameter is given, we can get radius just by dividing it by 2. Okay. Next is arc. What is an arc? Arc is a part of a circle, circumference. Arc is a part of a circumference. This is the circumference in the figure. Beside there is a figure C, and if we take this M point and P point, this curved part we are taken out from this circumference. This is the whole circumference. If we cut out this part MP, we get this figure like this one, MP. So this is the arc of the circle. We can say that MPN or MQN are the parts of the circumference. So they are also arc. Next is chord. If we join any two points on the circle by line segment, we get a chord. Here M and N are 2 points on the circle, that is on the circumference of the circle, and joining them by line segment MN. So here MN is a chord. Similarly, any 2 points if we take and on the circle and join them, we get chord. So from the previous figure, remember these things, that A is a point on the circle and B is a point on the circle, and AB line is passing through the center O, that was the diameter. But we can say that diameter is also a chord, because this is also a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So diameter is a chord which passes through the center. Moreover, diameter is the largest chord, because if we draw any other chord, that will be shorter than the diameter. So diameter is the largest chord of a circle. Next is semicircle. Half of a circle is called semicircle. Actually, this semicircle divides the circle into two equal halves. Suppose let us draw the diameter. This is the O point of the circle, and let me go to this figure, Here is O is the center. Let us draw a diameter, this one. Then this diameter, let me give the name AOB, AB. AB is the diameter, and see that AB diameter is dividing the whole circle into two equal halves. This is one half and this is another half. So each of the half is called semicircle. This is called semicircle. So half of the circle with the diameter is semicircle of the circle. So this was the parts of a circle. Now let me come how to draw a circle. How can we draw a circle? To draw a circle, this type of round figure, we will use compass. This is compass with, I have attached a pencil with this. Okay, this instrument is called compass, and with this we can draw a circle. You should take any measurement of given length. Suppose this is. Now we can draw a circle just by rotating the needle of pencil nib with respect to the needle of the compass. How? This way. This is the needle of the point of the needle. It should be fixed, and pencil needle will rotate around it. So let us rotate it in this way. Sorry. So we are getting the circle here, and the point when we put the needle of the compass, this point is fixed point, that is the center of the circle O. So we can draw a circle with the compass. Now suppose we have to draw a circle whose radius is 2.5 centimeter. Actually, we are taking the measurement by compass, that is the length of the radius. Okay. So, to draw a radius, to draw a circle whose radius is 2.5, we will first draw a line segment of 2.5. Let us draw a line segment of 2.5. This is the 0 level, 0. This is the 0. Here is 2 and here is 2.5. So, we will draw this first. At 0 we take a point, place the scale properly. 2, here is 2.5. So, here is 2.5. Join this. So, we get the line segment of length 2.5. Now, take your compass and measure the length with this compass. Take this length in your compass. I have taken this length of 2.5 centimeter. Now we will draw the circle. Here I am drawing. This is drawn. So, center is here O, and we will draw the line segment from center to any of the point on the circle. Center and any point on the circle. Suppose this is A point, OA. So, OA is the radius of 2.5 centimeter. So, the circle is drawn. Next one, in B number, see what is given. Here is given diameter equal to 8 centimeter. So, to draw a circle of diameter 8 centimeter, first we will find the radius. So, remember the relation, recall the relation. What was the relation between diameter and radius? That diameter equal to, we know that diameter equal to 2 into radius. So, we can write the radius equal to half of the diameter, that is diameter divided by 2. What is the diameter given? It is given 8 centimeter, and divided by 2 we get 4 centimeter. So, radius become 4 centimeter. Now, we can draw the circle as we drawn in the previous. 4 centimeter, we have to take the length of the 4 centimeter. Let me draw first a 4 centimeter by scale. Take a point, place the scale at 0 level, and here is 4, join it. So, this become 4 centimeter. Now, take this measurement of 4 centimeter in your compass, putting needle at one point and another point the nib of the pencil. Measurement is taken of 4 centimeter. Now, we will draw the circle. This circle is drawn where this is the center, suppose O. Let me draw a diameter. Through the center, draw a line segment here. So, let me give the name AB and AB is the diameter of total 8 centimeter. So this is the circle drawn whose diameter is 8 centimeter. So in this way we can draw the circles. Okay. Now let me come to a question. Suppose this is the circle, here is point O, let me join. Okay, this is the total figure. Names are given here. A, this is B, here is C, D, and this is the point O. Okay, now you have to give the answers of the questions. Question is here for the figure number 1 question. Write the name. Write the name of the following. Number 1, center. Number 2, radii. Radii of the circle. Number 3, chord. Number 4, chord that not a diameter. Okay, these things answer we have to give here from the figure. So in the figure, see that center, what is the name of the center? We will write name of the center, the fixed point inside of the circle from where the every point is equal distance. This is the O point, is the center. The center name is O. Radii, radii is actually the plural form of radius. So you have to write down the name of all the radius from the figure. O point is joining to the circle, on the circle a point A. O is a radius. Then OB is a radius. OC is another radius. OD is a radius. So total 4 radius are there. Next is chord. Chord is the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So take any 2 points where the line segments are joined. See here, this is a line segment joining A and C. So AC, AB is also a chord. Next is CB is a chord. CB. Also D is a point on the circle, C to D joined. So CD is another chord. Okay, so these are the total chords. 4 chords are there in the figure. Now you have to write the chords name that not a diameter. Chords that not a diameter. From the figure we get that AB is the diameter because it is passing through the center O. So AB is the diameter. CD is the diameter. The chord that is a non-diameter is AC. which does not passing through the center O, and another is CB. So, these two are the chords that are non-diameter. Okay. So, this was the total discussion for today in this topic. Next day or next class I will discuss another things. Thank you and goodbye.